The following are the Motion-Guard MG1000-450 fixture installation instructions. These are the supplies we will be using for this installation. Besides the MG1000-450 fixture, you will need paper towels, superglue, tape, and silicone sealer. The fixture we will be replacing today is the Bargman 30-78-517 porch light. To begin, please turn off all power to the fixture to ensure your safety. Next, you'll need to remove the fixture's lens. This will reveal 4 screws. Once these screws are removed, you'll be able to access the wiring. You'll need to cut these wires to completely detach the fixture from the RV wall. Great news! There's no need to clean the wall where the old fixture was. Your new MG1000 is larger than the Bargman fixture, so it will completely cover that area. Now it's time to carefully apply blue masking tape to the back of your Motion-Guard MG1000-450, the side that will touch the wall. When you do this, please remember to leave about an 1/8 inch gap, exactly as shown in the picture illustration. Okay, now let's test fit your Motion-Guard MG1000-450 using the screws provided. After you mount it, you'll want to add some masking tape to the RV wall, making sure to leave that 1/8 inch gap between the wall and the fixture all the way around, just as shown in the picture. Remember, this is just a test fit, so there's no need to wire or seal it in this step, just attach it only. Now that your Motion-Guard MG1000-450 is temporarily removed, you'll clearly see the 4 new mounting holes. These are the holes we'll use to perfectly align the fixture in the upcoming steps. Also, take a quick moment to appreciate the size difference. Your new MG1000-450 is quite a bit larger than the old Bargman. Also in this step, to get everything ready for the final installation, please strip the wires as shown in the picture. You can now go ahead and wire your Motion-Guard MG1000-450 to your coach as shown in the picture. A helpful tip: this fixture is not polarity sensitive, meaning you can connect the wires without concern for positive or negative. After wiring, use your inside porch switch to test the fixture. If it functions as expected, proceed to the next step. You're just about set to mount your Motion-Guard MG1000-450. Your next step is to apply silicone sealer to the back for waterproofing, just following the illustrations provided. Good news for a worry-free installation: there's no need to leave extra weep holes, as we've already built them directly into the lowest point of the fixture's design. Now that the sealer is applied and the wiring is connected, you can install the fixture. As you install it, you should see the silicone squeeze out. This is a good sign that you've created a proper seal. Next, take your finger and smooth the squeezed-out silicone into the shape you see here. This creates a clean, finished look. Now carefully remove the tape, making sure you don't touch the tacky silicone sealer. After you remove the tape, the finished result should look like the image here. The final step is to install the lens gasket and the lens. Please follow the following instructions for this process to ensure a proper, secure fit. When installing the lens gasket, apply a small amount of sealer to the groove in the main housing in 6 designated spots, as shown using a toothpick. Now, when installing the lens gasket, be sure to place the flat side of the lens gasket facing out as shown. The molded-in gasket seal guides around the main housing, as shown here. Ensure the seal stays in its necessary shape. That's easy. Now simply install the lens and you're all done. We appreciate you watching. Should anything come up, whether it's a question or you need a hand with anything, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us directly at 623-466-2367 or send an email to info@RVlights.com. We're here for you. Travel safe. Please like and subscribe.